2003 GMC Sierra 1500 V6. It's got aftermarket converters there and there. They were done by somebody else. And then it winds into a single. And we continued that 3-inch pipe out the side in front of the tire into a dual tip right there. He saw some of our videos of the other ones we did, and he really liked the sound, so he brought it in. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it too. Put it in park. Wait. Put it in park. Park. Give it gas. Again. Sound decibels 116, man. That's crazy. Go ahead and back it up. 116. Put it in park. Go ahead. Nice. 2003 GMC. '14 Chevy Silverado V6. Beautiful truck. What we got done on it, it's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Comes with a third converter, unfortunately. So we went and did something special. We put a Kooks headers exhaust since 1962, part number R300-10. We'll show you the link in the description for it. There's the Kooks logo, R310, 3-inch to 3-inch. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch black tip. Right there, out the side. They always sound the best on these. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Much better. What a difference. Again. Oh yeah. I like it. That's what the Kooks exhaust sounds like. Go ahead and back it out. Got a nice little green wrap. Nice wheels. Really nice. It's nicely done. Not overly done. Hope you guys like it. Tell us in the comments what you guys think of the Kooks exhaust. Straight through design. 2021 Chevy Silverado 4.3 liter V6. Really beautiful truck. We got factory converters there and there. It's got less than, I think, 10,000 miles on it. Then these don't come with a third cat, so you can true dual them. They find, since 21, I've seen a few of them. They don't put the third cat no more, so it's perfect. We can true dual them again. Then what we did is 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we put a Dynamax race bullet, 24-250. Then a Y pipe, U4-4, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side. There and there. There's a Dynamax race bullet. There. Into 4-inch double-walled rolled stainless steel tips. I always love these tips. If you want tips that don't rust and change color, always get these. Because when they roll on themselves like this, what it does, it keeps the heat on the inside, not the outside. So it never changes color. And always, every time you wash the truck or car, clean them. Wipe them down also. As you guys can see, and they always stay fresh and clean. And like always, guys, please subscribe, because it helps us keep going and keep bringing these videos to you guys. This is the muffler. It comes with this baffle. Make sure you cut the baffle off, or it will rattle when you cut the muffler off. And there's the tailpipe. Again, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it. And there'll be a link in the description for everything we offer. 2021 Silverado. Dynamax race bullet. Woohoo! Oh my God, it's so loud. Wow. Sound decibels. Again. 112. That's loud. That's awesome. Those tips, you don't see them on any of the other Silverados. It's the first ones we put on them. They look really good on it. I like it. I like that stance. Yeah, it's not bad. Go ahead. Oh man, it's so loud. Camera don't give it justice. That's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC 1500 V6. What we got done on it, something different than usual. Got high flow cats on it there and there. Then it wires into a single. He's got a bolt-on system. He had it put on somewhere else. We just tightened it down because it was loose. Then we put a Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 815425S. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description for it. And then we put it out the side with a dual tip, just like that, as you guys can see. Okay, and there'll be a link in the description for that if we can get one for you, as you guys can see right there. If you want any of this, make sure you check the description. And if you like it, make sure you subscribe and let us know you're there by commenting about the experience. GMC Sierra with side exhaust because it's lowered. You guys can see. Flowmaster Outlaw. That sounds so good. it. Doesn't sound like it. You see what I did? Sound decibels? Go ahead. Wow. Again. 116. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it out. There's a huge muffler we cut off, and tailpipe is in the back of the truck. So there's the muffler. We did side pipes. Got a nice idle to it too. I like it. GMC Sierra. What do you guys think? That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra 1500, Flowmaster Outlaw, and side pipe. So good. Hope you guys like it. 2003 Chevy Silverado V6. Really beautiful truck. Still a work in progress. He's going to slam it, do rust repairs. He's got a lot of work ahead of him. He's going to bring it back after it's done, and we'll show you. He's got aftermarket converters there and there. Then it wires into a single right there. Then what we did is put a Flowmaster Super10 on it, with a side exit, 2 1/4 tailpipe, or 2 1/4 pipe, side pipe, into a dual burn tip flush cut. That's what he wanted. That's what we'll give him. Make it sound good, look good too. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. These, for some reason, you put a Super10 on them, and a dual tip like this one, they always sound phenomenal. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Flowmaster Super10. Dual tip. We'll have a link in the description for the muffler and the tip. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's you. What do you think? Yes. What do you guys think? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again? 107, bro. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Please tell us what you feel about this.
Oh, yes.
He's happy.
That is demented.
Demented. That's a new word. He loves it. If he loves it, we love it. That's all that matters.
Hey, you're only 10 dBs less than my sound system.
Hell yeah. Go ahead. That's awesome. Side pipes. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
I can't wait till I get this thing on.
Side pipes. Chevy.